Welcome to Mürren. Historically, Mürren has played a pivotal role in the evolution of alpine sports. In 1928, Sir Arnold Loon actually organized the inaugural Inferno race right here, a grueling downhill ski competition that has since become the world's longest amateur ski race, spanning around 10 miles with an altitude drop of over 7,000 feet. This event laid the groundwork for the first Alpine World Ski Championships held in Mürren, further cementing its reputation as a cradle of competitive skiing.
Mürren also boasts a unique claim to cinematic fame. The nearby Schilthorn summit serves as the filming location for the 1969 James Bond film On Her Majesty's Secret Service. Shout out Jackson's dad for that movie recommendation. The revolving restaurant Piz Gloria constructed atop The revolving restaurant Piz Gloria, constructed atop the Schilthorn, was originally designed as the lair of the film's antagonist and has since become an iconic tourist attraction, offering panoramic views that are as mesmerizing as the on-screen action sequences they once framed.
One thing me and Sophia found really interesting is the whole paragliding phenomenon. And actually, it's not that hard to get your solo paragliding license in Switzerland, especially somewhere like Mürren or Interlaken. It's serious but super rewarding at the end. You'll start with an intro or taster day, then move into full training programs that include ground handling, theory lessons, and at least 50 solo flights across 5 different flying locations. It usually takes several months to a year depending on how often you train and the weather. To earn your license, you'll need to pass both written and flight exams issued by the Swiss Hang Gliding and Paragliding Association, or SHV. As for the cost, it's not cheap, but many say it's worth every single Swiss franc. Full license courses cost around 3,700 to 4,300 Swiss francs, or 4,200 to 4,800 USD, which includes unlimited flights for 12 months, coaching, and theory lessons. Then you'll pay another 250 Swiss francs for the test, and then a little bit more than 200 plus for insurance and membership, and about 8 to 20 Swiss francs every time you use the cable car to get to the takeoff points. New gear will run around 4,500 Swiss francs, although you can rent at first. So for anyone who loves mountains and adrenaline, it's one of the most epic things you could possibly do. And especially, think about it, we paid whatever it was, like $250 to paraglide alone. And if the total thing is going to be like $5,000 and you can kind of do like unlimited flights, I feel like that's, and realize that you can like be up there as long as you want. So you get like unlimited helicopter tours for, you know, $5,000, which is probably how much it would cost to get a helicopter tour in the first place in Switzerland. Maybe that's a little too expensive, but overall, paragliding, great opportunity. Definitely do it. Me and Sophia looking on the horizon to grab our solo paragliding license in the future. Can't wait. Mürren, send me the picture too. What? You gotta check out this video. We just caught an avalanche on camera. We didn't get the beginning of it because we were so surprised, but then it was me like, yo, grab the camera. But it was so loud. We thought a thunderbolt or, you know, thunder or lightning just struck, and we were like, oh my God, is there a storm coming? Look over, we're like, is that a waterfall? No, yo, huge avalanche. I mean, probably not that big, but first avalanche ever seen. Switzerland, we're just checking all the boxes. This place is amazing.
Curling in Mürren is more than just a winter pastime. It's a deeply rooted tradition that dates back to 1912, when British tourists first brought the sport to this alpine village. What makes it more unique is not just the age of the sport here, but how it became part of the local culture. During World War I, injured British soldiers who interned in Mürren played curling as part of their recovery, and the sport never left. Today, Alpine Sports Center, where we are standing currently right now, is one of the most scenic rinks in the world. In the winter months, locals and tourists gather for casual games or official tournaments. And there's even a fun curling option for beginners to try out. It's not just nostalgia. Mürren still has an active curling club that plays here regularly, keeping this quirky slice of mountain history still alive.
I love these mountains. Overall, we have a pretty good opinion of Mürren. Not exactly our favorite compared to places like Grindelwald or Gimmelwald or Lauterbrunnen or Wengen. We did enjoy places more than Mürren, but Mürren just seemed more of like a skiing destination. Obviously, we did see and do some very cool things in Mürren. We paraglided, we saw the iconic cows with the bells, we actually saw an avalanche. So we saw and did very cool things in Mürren, but as a town itself, it was a little boring, I guess. If I had to choose one place to stay here in the Interlaken Jungfrau region, it wouldn't be Mürren, but even on the train, we heard a couple saying that Mürren was their favorite place. So, you know, we saw Wengen and we saw Mürren, which are both on the top of the Lauterbrunnen Valley. I would probably go Wengen just because there's more regular stores. It looked like there was more to do. And me personally, I'm looking for like the big wide open grass areas with the, you know, chalets and the wooden cottages and stuff. Again, just like huge grass area that you can just like sit down and look at the mountains and stuff, which Mürren definitely had, but it was kind of like one street of like a cafe there, maybe a hotel there. There just wasn't really too much special about it, but Mürren was great. Switzerland's amazing, probably the top destination of the world. Switzerland, love it. Watch more videos. Goodbye. All right, just do that next sentence, you're good.
Okay. Can you say something mean?